Hey, attorney, Alvin, tama na. It's his birthday, so please stop.
But I was the one blasphemed.
I know, but
Ikaw yung gatong ng gatong eh. Di ba? Tapos ngayon nag-aaway na sila. Tapos stop. Pero listen to the word choice. Blasphemed. Di ba? Yung blaspheme kasi pang ano yun eh. Hindi naman pang normal, pang regular na tao yun eh. Pag tao ka, insult. O kaya I was the one slandered. I was the one defamed. Yun ang mga gagamitin mo para sa tao. Pag sinabi mong blasphemed, pang Diyos yun eh. 'Di ba? Or pang God King. Kumbaga meron kang napakataas na authority na hindi mo pwedeng bastusin. Yung pangalan ko, yung pagkatao ko, wala kang pwedeng sabihin na masama tungkol sa akin. Yun yung context ng blasphemy. Typically, for a regular person to use blasphemy to describe an offense against them, kung sa akin lang, that's extremely narcissistic. Extremely narcissistic. Blasphemy, as far as I know, only applies to deities, to gods. And I don't know if Harry Roque is considering himself as a god. Teka, ano natin. Blasphemy typically refers to speech or actions that show disrespect or irreverence towards something considered sacred, like religious beliefs, deities, or holy text. O, di ba? If you meant offending people in a non-religious context, terms like slander, defamation, or just offensive behavior are more accurate. Harry Roque used it para sa sarili niya. To me, that shows a lot about this person. 'Di ba? Blasphemed.
Stop. I was the one blasphemed.
'Di ba?
I was the one.
Blasphemed. 'Di ba? So, ano ba 'yun? Tingin ko, blasphemed. Kumbaga, I have extreme authority. I am sacred. And you dared accuse me of eating humba. Tirador ako ng humba. Grabe. Grabe.